Hello, hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Holy moly. I was looking at the channel today because I keep getting messages from people to work on the channel more again. And I realized that it's been about 2 years since the last upload. And in that spirit, I went through and I updated a couple of things in there, the description and things like that. And so I'm also going to work over the next few days, maybe weeks, on uploading the videos that we have on Instagram onto the YouTube channel. That way there's a collection of that on here. And yeah, so stay tuned. There's definitely going to be some more developments. Thank you for watching.